Hey y'all, it's Chelsea. I'm just coming to you guys today to teach you a little about BombBomb and just kind of the basics of how to use it. I think that there's some, I don't know if it's misinterpretation or misconceptions about how user-friendly the software is, but it is incredibly user-friendly to use. And so I want to make sure that the reason that you're not using it is because that you're afraid of how easy or how complicated it is really, because it is not complicated at all. So I'm just going to go through these first couple steps. I'm already on the website, but I'll just go ahead and log in like usual. You're just going to open up a web browser and go to www.bombbomb.com. And then as you can see here, this is where you log in at. And since I consistently log in, there are my information is already saved in the system. And so if you guys just want to record a quick video for your customers or your clients, what you'll do is you'll just come in here and you just go straight to this red record video and this little red record video button, and you click that. And look, your face is going to pop up, and whenever you're ready, what you're going to do is you go ahead and click this button, and then it's going to start to count down 3, 2, 1. And so once you do that, it's obviously going to start recording at that point. Once it ends, you get to go up here and you get to put in whatever contact you want to send that to, whether you want to do like mass emails for your entire contacts on Jungo, your database, or just a single person, like to say thank you for choosing me as your loan officer and make it specifically to them. Or if you want to do like a happy birthday email to somebody, you can do it to individuals. Whatever it is, it's just quick and easy. And so I just wanted to show you guys how user friendly this is. So you're going to press record, and at the end, it's just going to allow you, like I said, to put in the contacts right here, and then you're going to press send. And so I'll show you real quick too, like just shooting a short video. I hope this doesn't stop the screencaster from recording the video of the video I'm just about to do. So let's see. So, okay, it looks like it's not gonna, oh, here it goes. Hey guys, it's Chelsea Allen with the Bank of England Mortgage. Thank you so much for choosing me as your marketing manager. I can't wait to help you to get to where you need to be. All right, have a good day. And stop. And then it'll start to upload, as you can see. And then I'll go ahead and put myself in here just to show you guys an example of how it comes into somebody's actual email address. So like I said, in here, just put whatever email address that you want to send the video to. And then down here, it's really awesome. It already has your signature in here, and I'll help you guys get that set up. And then, like I said, we can enter a picture and just your information, and then you can type a message to go with the video. Also in the subject line, this has a video email from Chelsea Hawkins, which is really Chelsea Allen. But what I'd really like it to say is your awesome marketing manager. Good spell. Chelsea Allen. And then what I want to do is just send it to myself. So I'm going to push send. All right, so it went. You guys will see it probably pop up over here in a minute as something that's coming into my Outlook. But if you want to go and look at your videos that you have, like say you're like, I'd like to send that video to somebody else, or just you wanted to send it to yourself first as a test and then go back and maybe post it on Facebook or send it to someone else. Well, you can go into your videos. See, there it is. I just received it in my Outlook. So I'll just push that to the side for now. And then you can go over here, you can edit your video, you can preview your video. You can also, this is really amazing, you can send it to somebody else. You can link and share it. So if you want to send to somebody else, you just go into send and go ahead and put the email addresses up here. And then do just as you did before, like put whatever you want in the subject box up top here. And then if you want to write a message, you put it in here and just press the send button. So there's that. There's also templates, I believe, that you can make it like for somebody's birthday. Look how cute this is. So many things in here that you guys can utilize to your advantage to make it even more specific and just a lot more fun for your clients and for yourself. So, do you see the thank you one? That one was really awesome too. Okay, so also, you can go in here and you can link and share this. So, like if you thought it was so awesome, you want to share it on social media, you just link up with any of your accounts here. Let's say if I want to send it to Facebook, I have to sign in. I'm obviously signing in under Sean right now, but you just put in your information here, and then it would go ahead and send that to your Facebook page. So that right there is just kind of an introduction. Obviously, you can do it to any of your other social media accounts as well. So I just wanted to show you guys just a little snippet on how to do a quick an easy BombBomb video, and you can send it out to your clients. So if you have any questions, obviously hit me up. Now you know at least how to record, how to enter the email addresses in there. You can write your own subject line. You can write your own body in the email. You can use a template. You can forward these to your Facebook or link them to your Facebook, to your Instagram, Twitter, any of those. And then also, like I said, just email them to your clients. So guys, it's just that easy. Like I said, that took less than 6 minutes for me to show you. So it takes less time than that to get it all set up. So if you have any questions at all, please let me know. But otherwise, I hope this video was very helpful to you. And I hope I start seeing some BombBomb videos from you guys very soon. All right. Have a great day, guys.